I can't tell you what your film's budget is, but I can tell you what factors to consider. First of all, what are you filming? A feature film, a short film, a commercial, and a YouTube video will all have different budgets. Next, instead of focusing on how long the script is, think about what's in the script. A quarter-page car chase scene is probably going to be more expensive than a 5-page conversation at a table. The genre can also affect your budget. Is it a period piece? Then your production design and your wardrobe budget might increase. What about an intergalactic fantasy? Then your special effects and your post-production will definitely be affected. A coming-of-age indie? If you have child actors, then your schedule will be affected, which will affect your overall budget. Fun fact, horror is one of the most affordable genres to film. I have a few go-to questions when I build a budget. How many days do you need to film? How many locations are necessary? Do you need a permit for any of them? Are there any special elements, like gear or special effects? Are you paying your cast and crew? Is this a local or a travel production? Will you have to house anybody? Those are a few starting considerations when building your budget. And don't worry, we'll go more in depth in future videos. Just remember that you can't build a budget until you have a drafted script, so try not to get too far ahead of yourself. Let us know what else you'd like to learn about, and I hope this was a good tip for you.